What's going on, guys? So today I'm stripping my Honda CB400 tank, stripping the paint off, and I'm using this Rust-Oleum aircraft remover. Works great. Used it on my last CX500 build and it took the paint right off. So go ahead and get that on there and strip this paint off this baby. And remove these Honda logos off. Don't lose your screws. Alright guys, so I'm just going to pour this around on the top here, and it's just going to start, whoops, just going to start eating away at it. This stuff's crazy, man. Then I'm going to spread it around with this brush. Sorry guys, about the camera. You can see it already starting to eat it. Okay, let me spread some of this around. It's all bubbling up and gurgling. It's crazy. Look at this. I already took that paint right there off. That's crazy how this stuff works, man. Wow, look at this. Don't take long. Wow. It's really, it's working already. Some powerful stuff. Spread it around and let it soak. Look at this, it's just taking it right off there. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm getting there. That's just after one coat of that stuff. Look at that, takes it right off. Takes it right off. So finish this up and then I'll clean it up and be ready for some paint. Alright guys, so there it is. Pretty much all stripped. Except underneath I gotta do, but yeah, came out good. Two coats of paint, or paint stripper. Just gotta do the bottom part. And took it right off, man. Awesome stuff. So time to get her painted. Alright guys, so there she is. Painted the top side. The bottom side I didn't strip. I just figured I'd just paint over it because you're not going to see it anyway. It's pretty much all covered. But I got a satin black. I don't know if I like it or not. I kind of wish I would have went with a flat black. But no big deal. I can always spray another coat or two of flat on it if I want to. But yeah, it came out pretty good. Looks good in black. So that's it for the fuel tank. Wish I would have got that dent out, but I don't want to mess with it. I like it, except for the dent. And I like to try to paint that Honda logo gold, but I don't know. It's gonna be tough to do. Not sure how that'll come out. So it's looking good, guys. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. See you guys.